The Epson SureColor G6030 features easy maintenance and stable operation, boosts productivity, and reduces total cost of ownership. In this video, we will show how to perform head cleaning set replacement, capping station replacement, and ink replacement to ensure efficient operation and help maintain excellent print quality. Before starting, these are the items you need to prepare. This printer comes with a replaceable fabric wiper that keeps the nozzle surface clean and minimizes manual maintenance. Maintaining the wiper is simple, as it only requires replacing the consumables. We will show you how to replace the wiper unit step by step. First, press Maintenance button and choose Replace Maintenance Parts. Select Head Cleaning Set. Select Start. For a detailed guide, you may click on How To and follow the on-screen instructions. Open the maintenance cover. Check the position of the wiper unit. Place your fingers in the indentations at the back of the wiper unit and pull it slightly forward. Lift up the wiper unit to remove it. After taking out the new wiper unit, use its packaging to wrap the wiper unit that was removed. Place the new wiper unit on the bracket and push it in until it clicks. Close the maintenance cover. We will now perform the replacement of capping station and flushing pad. Select Close and then select Yes. Select How To and follow the on-screen instructions. Open the maintenance cover. Take the new capping station out of the bag and then remove the cover. Check the position of the capping station. Press the area shown in the image to remove the capping station. Put the used capping station in the bag. Use the bag that previously contained the new capping station. Insert the two hooks on the new capping station into the slots and push down until it clicks in place to secure it. Grip the tab and pull the flushing pad up slowly. Once the waste ink stops dripping, remove the used pad from the printer and place it on a metal tray. Put the flushing pad that was removed in the bag that used to contain the new flushing pad. Insert the two hooks on the new flushing pad into the slots and push down until it clicks into place. Confirm that it is attached correctly. Make sure you did not leave any objects inside the printer and then close the maintenance cover. Select Close and then select Yes. Confirm that the flushing pad is installed correctly. Select OK. The G6030 comes with separated capping station and suction cap, which can help reduce the frequency of daily manual cleaning. Cleaning the suction cap ensures optimal print quality, prevents clogs, and prolongs the printhead's life. We will show you how to do the cleaning step by step. Press the Maintenance button and choose Cleaning the Maintenance Parts. Select Suction Cap. Select Start. Select How To and follow the on-screen instructions. Open the maintenance cover. Check the position of the suction cap. If any clumps or film of waste liquid are stuck in the suction cap, remove them with the supplied tweezers. If waste liquid is blocking the two holes, remove it with the tweezers. Be careful not to push the waste liquid into the holes. Pour distilled water or ink cleaner into the container up to the first line on the scale. We recommend working on a tray to keep the surrounding area clean. Soak a narrow cleaning stick in distilled water or ink cleaner. Squeeze out excess liquid to prevent dripping. Move the cleaning stick up and down to wipe off any dirt from the area shown in the figure. Use the cleaning stick to wipe away any dirt inside the suction cap as shown. Soak a wide cleaning stick in distilled water or ink cleaner. Squeeze out excess liquid to prevent dripping. Use the cleaning stick to wipe away any dirt on the outside of the suction cap as shown. After wiping the outside of the suction cap, wipe the top edge of the suction cap. If dirt remains, rinse the cleaning stick in distilled water or ink cleaner and clean it again. If the cleaning stick is dirty, use a new one. Make sure you did not leave any objects inside the printer and then close the maintenance cover. G6030 comes with 1.6-litre high-capacity ink packs, and replacing them can be fuss-free. First, unlock the ink drawer, then pull the ink tray out. Remove the empty ink pack from the ink tray. Replace with the new ink pack. Once finished, place the ink tray back into the ink drawer. As you can see, having Epson's DTFilm printer can really help you get more done. It's easy to maintain, so you can keep your print quality consistent without much hassle and improving productivity.